Hi, my name is Samin Nosrat. I'm a writer, a teacher, and a cook. I'm the author of Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat, and the host of the show on Netflix by the same name. If somebody came to me and they were learning how to cook and they wanted to be a little bit healthier, I'd advise them to honestly to look to acid and herbs and spices for flavor. I think it's really easy to rely on things like sour cream and, butter. There's no such thing as too much butter, so I'm gonna let it go on that one. But it's really easy to sort of rely on unhealthy or over, let's say, things that we should be moderate with to bring flavor. But to me, I think fresh herbs and limes and jalapenos, those three things together all over the world sort of create this incredible flavor push that turns into whether it's a condiment or something you're squeezing directly on a taco. And I think if we can start to learn how to use herbs and incorporate them into our daily life, spices too, and of course like a squeeze of lime and lemon, that those are sort of three easy tricks to make everyday cooking a lot more exciting. The best trick I know for making a healthy meal when I don't have a lot of time is frozen vegetables. I travel a lot, so I always have multiple different kinds of frozen vegetables in my freezer, I should say. And that way I don't ever have the excuse that I don't have vegetables to incorporate into a rice dish or into a pasta or into a frittata. They're always there and they're always, preserved at peak season, so they taste good. My very favorite way to cook chicken is to do buttermilk marinade overnight. So I just dump like 2 cups of buttermilk in a big zipper bag and put a chicken that I've salted generously in the bag, let it rest overnight, and then I roast the chicken and it gets this beautiful like lacquered dark brown skin, and the meat is so moist because it's essentially been brined by that buttermilk. I try to balance staying healthy with a busy life by eating as many vegetables as I possibly can. And lately I've actually been making very vegetably heavy shakes in the morning, which is a really nice way to sort of start my day without weighing myself down, which I've found is a really important thing. And the other big thing is that I have moved my heaviest meal to lunch from dinner, so that I can get my majority of my digestion done in the middle of the day, so that I can sleep better at night. Those two things are really big. I also prioritize sleep. I go to bed really early if I can. And at the end of a hard day, I relax by taking a very hot bath. If you enjoyed the video, you can like and subscribe below.